Welcome back to Raley's Small Engines. We've got us a zero turn here. We had done a previous video on, and I'll put a link to that right up here in the top for you guys if you haven't seen that. What we've got is a little issue with the engine. So anyhow, we've got a missing push rod in this engine.
You'll never find that push rod, my pretty.
You want to bet? I got your broom. Well, if we don't quit fooling around, we never will get this engine off. So we're gonna take this cover off, pop our deck belt loose. We're gonna disconnect the fuel line from the fuel pump, unplug our main wiring harness, disconnect our starter. Obviously this back cover comes off, it's only 3 bolts. And then underneath, we'll get this deck belt off, we'll get the hydro belt off, drop this clutch and the few bolts that hold the engine on, and it should come off of here. We'll go tear this thing down. Y'all stand by, we'll get her done. I said it, broken camshaft, and I found our push rod. There it is. See it wrapped around the crank, sitting right there. Let's see if I can get any of that out of there. Well, there's your push rod. All kind of pieces down in here off that cam. So let me do a little further inspection and see what we're going to need to get for this thing. So I went in and buzzed the rocker arms off. There's push rods. There's a push rod. An old broken cam. Yep. There's the rest of it. Well, folks, there you have it. Push rod. Broken cam. Lots of pieces. We're going to get a price on all this and call the customer, see what he wants to do. I'm sure we're going to be fixing this. So y'all stay tuned. Part 3 will be coming up. And if you didn't get to see the first video of this machine, I'll put a link to it at the end of the description. There was a tag earlier in the video. If you didn't catch that, I'll put it in the description for you. We appreciate you guys watching. Y'all click that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and come back to see us, because we're going to be putting this together. We're going to make the purple witch wish she hadn't messed with us. See you folks later. A bet? I got your broom.